Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I have been through the request book and I've had a lot of requests. People asking what to do with sunflowers, what kind of a vase to put the sunflowers into, what goes with sunflowers, how do you create something that's kind of barn or rustic or country inspired. Well, as I said, sunflowers can go into any kind of a vessel and they will always look beautiful. And don't they just make you want to smile? There's something gorgeous about them. So all I'm going to do with these is I'm just going to plonk them into the vase. You don't have to design with them, you just plonk them in and let them be. And what they will do is they will follow the light. I love that about sunflowers. Now the other thing that I've been asked is what kind of foliage to put with sunflowers. Whoops. Well, let me put that to there. You could put a few sticks. Let me just share. You could put just a few sticks into there and that would take your design to give it a lovely rustic air. Or you could use some eucalyptus or some gum into there. And you know, nature has provided the sunflower with gorgeous foliage. So sometimes if you're not sure, it's best to leave it out. So if you didn't want to use the eucalyptus, I have always loved putting in a little bit of olive. Can make it look very rustic and informal looking. But my most preferred is beautiful berries. Now the sunflowers come in the height of summer or leading up, and then they go right through until the fall, or just before it gets when the weather's changing. But also at that time you get the beautiful berries. So if you're a bit stuck, just look at the seasons and see what the season is producing at the same time that your sunflowers. Informal means picked, gathered and placed in a loose, informal way. And really, with all that happens in life when we're all so terribly busy, isn't it nice to be able to do something that visually looks relaxed? It'll help you too. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing it with you and I look forward to seeing you all again another day.